Hey, what's up guys, Topbinarystrategies here, back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you the best 1 minute strategy on Quotex. Now if you've seen my pocket options video, it's going to be the exact same concept except on Quotex, just to show you that it does work on Quotex. And yeah, Quotex is my second most favorite binary options broker. I only use these two. I don't really usually use any other one. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So like in the last video, we want to be using the 1 minute candles, which you can change here, and it has to be candles. And we'll also be using a 1 minute expiration time. So the indicators we need 3. We need the Keltner channel, perfect, with a multiplier of 2. I'll make it just a little bit bigger. I can change the top to be green. Yeah, we can leave the same here if you want. That's perfect. The next indicator we need is the stochastic, and this is all default as well. And the next thing we need is the RSI. Perfect. So we need 3 indicators: the stochastic, the RSI, and the Keltner. Most of these are default. These 2 are default. This one, the multiplier is changed to 2. And like in the other video, the way the strategy works is basically this. Whenever the price leaves the channel at the bottom, we're going to go for a buy. And when it breaks up at the top, if we can show you an example, like here, we go for a sell. And the way to confirm your entry is, for a sell, you want the RSI to be near the 30, and you want the stochastic green line to cross the red line. That confirms for a buy trade. And for a sell trade, it's the same, but the opposite. So you want the RSI to be at the top and the green stochastic to be going down. And that's basically it. It's a very simple strategy, and it does work both on the OTC market and also works on the Forex market. So let's find some opportunities here and let's take a few trades. So as you can see, we have another possibility here. You can see that the price has left the Keltner channel. The stochastic is about to cross the oscillator, and the RSI is touching the 70. So we're going to go for a 50 sell position here. There you go. And hopefully the price goes in our direction. So with any strategy, no strategy is 100%. So this strategy is about an 80 to 90% success rate, but a perfect strategy doesn't exist. I'm completely transparent on this channel. I'm not going to show you 100 trades in a row because that simply doesn't happen. There is wins and there is losses. You just need to be aware of that. So at the moment we're in a sell and we have 27 seconds left, and we'll be making some profit. Now, as you can see, the overall price is in a downtrend. Now if you struggle to find a trend, you can also add a moving average of a period of 80 or 200, and that will show you the overall trend. But I'm experienced enough to tell it just by looking at it. So as you can see, we're in a downtrend, so this is a perfect position. And here we go, 94 euro. So that was a good profit. So the next trade will be for 94. Our plan is to get 3 winning trades and then get out of here. The more you trade, the more you're likely to lose. So let's look for the next pair. You don't want to trade when the price is in the middle because it's uncertain if it goes up or down. So you want to look for the top or the bottom. So let's keep looking. And since this is 1 minute candles, you'll always find an opportunity. This could be another opportunity. As you can see, the shadows and the wicks of the candles, there's a lot of buying pressure here. So we could see a reversal up. And as you can see, the RSI is touching the 34, and the stochastic, the green line, is not crossing yet. But I have a feeling that the price will reverse up. Just by looking at the previous candles, there's buying pressure in the last 3 candles. So we're going to go for an up right here. And this is just my previous knowledge. If there is a lot of buying pressure, that means that the market wants to go up generally. So that's why we went for a 94 euro uptrend, and we'll see if we are correct. Now the price, as you can see, it was in an uptrend, then it went to the downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So this is kind of a range, as we call it. But yeah, at the moment you can see the price falls down and pulls back, falls down, pulls back, and now we pull down again, and it could go pull back up. So we have 22 seconds left on this trade. And as you can see, we have a lot of buyer momentum, but this isn't 100%, guys. This is just your knowledge. Like, the more you trade, the more you're going to spot these types of confluences for you to enter trades. But as you can see, there is a lot of buying pressure in the last 4 candles, so that's why I took the trade. And as you can see, we're at €176 profit. So the next trade we're going to take, and the final trade, will be for 176.72. Oh, you can't add cents, so it's just 176. So let's do the final trade. And if you have any questions at all, be sure to just leave a comment. I answer all comments, and I'll try to help you in the best way that I can. So let's see. Just keep going through the pairs. Don't ever take trades that aren't meeting the rules, because that's how you lose money. So as you can see, like, this is in an uptrend for ages. I wouldn't be trading this market at all, because it hasn't touched the middle or even went down in, let's say, 40 minutes. So we don't trade that. This could be another good trade. As you can see, it's leaving the Keltner channel now. The stochastic is about to cross, and the RSI is at the 73 level. So we want to wait to see if the price will go down or will continue going up in an uptrend. So we're just going to watch the candle movement. As you can see, there's still a lot of buying pressure. So we wait. It's all about patience and trading. Sorry. Right, so we still have a lot of buying pressure. We would not enter this, even if the conditions are met. As you can see, we want to wait. We don't want to enter straight away, because the buyers are still in control of the market. As you can see here, it was out, but that doesn't mean it's going to reverse as soon as it goes out. It could take 20 minutes before it starts to go back in. Just because it leaves doesn't mean it's going to go down again. So always remember that. Let's see. Okay, could be looking to enter here. I'm going to enter here for 176, as you can see that the sellers are starting to take control, because before there was no sellers pressure. As you can see, it only went down a little bit. This had no selling pressure at all, and this had no selling pressure at all. So I'm thinking that this will go down. There's a tug of war between the buyers and the sellers now, so whichever wins will send the market in that direction. And there's no guarantee that this trade will win, but we've made 2 profitable trades, and if we lose this one, that's okay, because we still won 2, so we're still in profit. But that's just a reality. Like, no strategy is 100%, so always risk 1 to 3% of your balance, and don't ever risk your full account. But yeah, you're always gonna have losing trades, so if you do lose a trade, don't feel too caught up about yourself. Just keep going, keep learning, and eventually you'll become a consistent trader. So as you can see, I lost this one, but that is just a reality of trading. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. As I said, I am keeping it transparent. I'm not just going to show you that I won, let's say, 10 trades in a row, because that's not going to happen. We won 2 trades, and the third one we lost, which is okay. And as you can see, the price is now going down, actually, as soon as the stochastic line crossed, and the RSI is pointing down, so it is going down. So yeah, if you liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.